Thank you for purchasing the Kozyard Louvered Pergola. This video will guide you through setting up your pergola. You should have received 5 boxes from FedEx. Before beginning the installation, we need you to prepare the following installation tools. Please check the pin part for additional accessories that may be included. Assemble the poles, part AP, with stand plates, part N, N1, using screws 1 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Once assembled, set aside. Connect the beam parts, part BS6, CS6, into one beam using connector, part T, with screw 5 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Install the gutter connector, part J, into the gutter and use silicone, part S, to cover the seams around it to prevent leaking. Fix the fixture, part Q, onto the middle of the beam part, BS6, CS6, using screw 2 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Snap joint cover, part H, to the middle of the beam. Assemble 2 sticks for later use. Connect the beam parts, part ER5, DL5, into one beam using connector, part T, with screw 5 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Connect 2 lever bars using lever connector, part J2, and screw 5 hashtag. Use silicone, part S, to cover the seam. Then install the gutter connector, part J, into the gutter. Finally, use silicone, part S, to cover the seams around, part J, to avoid any leaks. Snap joint cover, part H, to the middle of the beam. Connect the beam parts, part MR5, ML5, into one beam using connector, part T1, with screw 5 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Connect 2 lever bars using lever connector, part J2, and screw 5 hashtag. Use silicone, part S, to cover the seam. Then install the gutter connector, part J1, into the gutter. Finally, use silicone, part S, to cover the seams around, part J1, to avoid any leaks. Do the same thing on the other side. And snap joint cover, part H1, to the middle of the beam. Plug the plastic corner, part P, into beam, part ER5, DL5, as shown in the diagram. Use screw 8 hashtag to connect beam and poles, part AP, as shown in the diagram. Do the same thing on the other side. Connect beam, part BS6, CS6, with beams, part DL5, ER5, and part FL5, GR5, as shown in the diagram. Combined fixture, part V2, short lever, part V1, turbine, part R, fixture, part R1, to long lever, part 5, fixture, part V3, into one lever using screw 7 and nut 6 . Attention, this part R1 must be placed facing right. Attention, this part R1 must be placed facing left. It's critical that the iron piece must be positioned in the same way. Fix finished lever bars onto the beam, part BS6, CS6, using screw 1 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Fix finished lever bars onto beams using screw 2 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Attention, the nuts have to be placed outside of the steel piece. Fix finished lever bars onto beams using screw 2 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Attention, the nuts have to be placed outside of the steel piece. Do the same thing on the other side. Lock the top of poles, part AP, into the beams using screw 1 hashtag as shown in the diagram. Put louver boards, part K1, on the top as shown in the diagram. Use screw 4 hashtag to fix louver boards, part K, on the top as shown in the diagram. Do the same thing on the other side. After the installation of this product is complete, please consider using pile driving to increase product stability. As shown in the picture, we have provided you with the locations for pile driving. Tips: we also sell corresponding expansion screws, which you may want to consider purchasing. The last step is to lower the cover for a better look. And then we finished the whole assembly. You can turn it on or off. In snowy weather, please open the louvered for the safety of the product.